Turning a simple room in your home into a profitable production studio is more realistic than most people think. In this video, you will see how compact machines can transform small spaces into money-making setups with surprising efficiency. Some of these machines look ordinary at first glance, but what they can do is jaw-dropping. Machines like a chocolate tempering unit that creates glossy, professional-grade chocolates, a pasta cutter that shapes dough with perfect precision, a compact oven that bakes artisan bread with bakery-level quality, and even a high-powered nut grinder that turns almonds or peanuts into smooth gourmet butter in minutes. These are the kinds of tools that help you produce premium products without needing a full factory. In this video, I will show you how these machines work, why they are so profitable, and how anyone can start using them from home. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready" and I'll share the complete list with you. Let's begin.
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. All videos, discussions, and demonstrations about business machines, investments, or related topics are not financial advice.
Number 10. Chocolate Tempering Machine. This machine is one of the most powerful tools for creating premium handmade chocolates from home. This compact machine controls temperature with precision, giving chocolate a flawless shine, a smooth texture, and that clean snap customers love. With it, you can produce filled chocolates with creams, nuts, or fruity centers that look and taste like they came from a luxury chocolatier. The production cost of a full box of chocolates is often around $3 to $4, yet customers pay far more for handcrafted pieces with elegant presentation. That is where the real profit comes in. The machine allows you to make consistent batches with professional quality, which increases customer trust and repeat purchases. Seasonal moments like Valentine's Day, Christmas, and Mother's Day make this business even more profitable because demand spikes for premium gift items. With creativity in flavors and packaging, this machine can turn a small room into a high-earning chocolate studio. What comes next is even more impressive, because this machine can boost your production speed without increasing your workload. Number 9. Pasta Cutter. This machine brings restaurant-level precision to fresh artisanal pasta production. When paired with a simple dough mixer, it creates perfectly shaped fettuccine, spaghetti, lasagna sheets, or ravioli shells with uniform thickness and texture. Manual cutting can never match the consistency this compact machine provides. The production cost for 1 kilo of fresh pasta usually stays around $1.50 to $2. And gourmet shops and restaurants pay significantly more for fresh pasta made with quality ingredients and proper texture. That margin is what makes this business so profitable. With a pasta cutter, you can produce batches quickly while maintaining an authentic homemade feel that customers love. Fresh pasta sells well all year, and offering variations like whole wheat, spinach, or gluten-free versions can dramatically increase your customer base. With proper packaging, you can supply markets, restaurants, and online customers while operating comfortably from home. Number 8. Compact Professional Oven. This machine is the heart of any small-scale artisan bakery. This machine creates consistent heat, even airflow, and precise baking results that standard home ovens cannot match. With it, you can bake sourdough loaves, croissants, baguettes, pastries, and specialty breads with a premium finish. The production cost of a 500-gram artisan bread typically ranges from $1 to $1.50, while customers gladly pay significantly higher prices for handcrafted bakery items made with quality ingredients. This difference turns a simple setup into a profitable business that can run daily. The compact oven makes it possible to maintain stable quality, and that reliability leads to strong customer loyalty. Bakeries, coffee shops, and hotels actively look for local producers who can supply fresh items with the right recipe combinations and consistent output. This machine can support a full-time income while operating from a small workspace at home. Before we move to number 7. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 7. Mixer for natural cosmetics. This machine is essential for producing solid shampoos, conditioners, balms, and zero-waste beauty products. This machine blends natural butters, essential oils, and plant-based ingredients into a smooth, uniform mass. The consistency you get from the mixer is what makes the final product feel premium, because the texture is even and the formula is stable. The production cost of a single solid shampoo bar usually falls around $1 to $1.50. And customers easily pay several times more for eco-friendly products with clean formulas. This creates a profitable margin that grows even more when you use attractive recycled packaging. Solid cosmetics are lightweight, travel-friendly, and highly demanded by conscious consumers who prefer plastic-free options. With this machine, you can create multiple variations such as moisturizing formulas, detox blends, or scented collections. The small size of the machine and the products makes this a perfect home-based business. Number 6. Mini granola and cereal bar press machine. This machine is perfect for anyone who wants to create healthy snacks from home with clean ingredients and strong profit potential. This compact unit shapes mixtures of oats, nuts, dried fruits, seeds, and natural sweeteners into uniform bars with consistent quality. The machine is easy to operate and requires only simple preparation, which means you can produce small batches quickly without needing a large kitchen setup. The cost of this machine is reasonable for beginners, and the materials used in each batch are affordable, allowing you to keep your production costs low. Granola bars and energy bars sell extremely well because people look for convenient snacks they can trust. And homemade options with transparent ingredients create strong customer demand. This business becomes highly profitable because each bar has a low ingredient cost while selling at a premium price. If you want a compact machine that delivers steady results, this one is a powerful choice. If you are finding these machines useful, give this video a like so more people can learn how to start profitable home-based production. Number 5. Mixing blender for soaps. This machine, designed for soap making, is the key to producing premium handmade soaps with consistent texture and high quality. Results? This machine blends oils, butters, fragrances, and natural additives into a smooth mixture that becomes the base of every soap bar. When combined with a molding process, the blender helps you create soaps with clean textures, vibrant colors, and attractive designs that stand out in the natural cosmetics market. The production cost of a 100-gram soap bar usually stays between 80 cents and $1, while customers pay significantly more for handcrafted soaps with natural ingredients and unique scents. That difference creates strong profitability, especially when you offer collections with lavender, eucalyptus, coffee scrubs, or seasonal themes. The blending process is quick and efficient, which makes it easy to produce multiple batches from a small space at home. With the rising demand for chemical-free products, this machine turns soap making into a highly profitable small business. Number 4. Digital Control Wax Melter. This machine is the core machine for producing premium aromatic candles. It heats and maintains wax at the ideal temperature, allowing you to work with soy, beeswax, or paraffin without burning or overheating the mixture. This level of control gives each candle a smooth finish, strong fragrance, and clean burn. The production cost of a 200-gram candle is often between $1.50 and $2, while the market value for handcrafted candles is much higher, especially when paired with premium jars and elegant scents. This is why the candle business is so profitable. With the wax melter, you can create scented collections for relaxation, decoration, and seasonal themes like Christmas or Valentine's Day. The machine allows you to pour consistent batches every time, helping you build a recognizable brand. This setup works perfectly for home-based production where creativity and presentation make all the difference. Number 3. Automatic filling machine. This machine is essential for producers who want faster and cleaner packaging of food products like jams, sauces, yogurts, or preserves. This compact machine fills jars with precision, prevents spillage, and keeps every container equally portioned. It not only saves time, but also improves hygiene, which boosts customer trust in your product. The production cost of a 250-gram jar of gourmet jam typically ranges from $1 to $1.50. And customers pay much more for artisanal flavors and premium packaging. This creates strong profitability for small producers. With the filling machine, you can create unique fruit combinations like mango, ginger, or berry blends that attract gourmet buyers. It also allows you to scale your batches without losing quality or consistency. Markets, gift shops, and online buyers love these products because they feel homemade yet professionally packed. This machine turns small kitchen operations into reliable, income-generating businesses. Number 2. Press machine for solid cosmetics. This machine for solid cosmetics is the final step in creating compact bars such as solid shampoos, conditioners, and balms. After mixing your ingredients, the press gives each bar its shape, firmness, and long-lasting structure. This machine makes products durable, travel-friendly, and premium in appearance. The production cost of a solid shampoo bar typically stays around $1 to $1.50. While customers pay significantly more for eco-friendly, plastic-free alternatives. This creates an excellent profit range for small businesses. The press machine allows you to create consistent shapes, custom molds, and branded designs that make your products stand out. With a growing interest in zero-waste beauty, offering natural formulas with unique scents can attract a loyal customer base. Lightweight products are also easy to ship, helping the business scale online. This machine is ideal for turning simple ingredients into profitable, high-demand cosmetic items. Number 1. High-power nut grinder. This machine is the essential machine for producing smooth, natural nut butters and creams. It grinds peanuts, almonds, cashews, and other nuts into a creamy texture without needing preservatives or added oils. This is exactly what health-conscious consumers look for. The production cost of a 250-gram jar often stays around $2, and customers pay much higher prices for fresh, clean ingredient nut butters. This makes the business highly profitable. The grinder lets you create multiple variations such as honey blends, cocoa mixes, protein-enriched options, or mixed nut combinations. Once ground, the cream is placed into jars with airtight lids and labeled with your brand. Cafes, fitness stores, and local markets love stocking locally made nut butters because they attract repeat customers. With steady demand and the ability to produce at home, this machine becomes a powerful income generator, turning your home into a small production studio. Does not require a massive budget or a full-scale facility. All it takes is vision, consistent effort, and the right machines. Each tool you have seen today can help you create premium products with professional quality, while keeping your costs low and your potential profits high. These compact machines open the door to real income, because they let you produce at a level that feels high-end and trustworthy to customers. Whether you start with soaps, candles, nut butters, pasta, chocolates, or solid cosmetics, every idea has the potential to grow into a strong business. If you found this video helpful, take a second to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking for new ways to make money. It really helps more people find these ideas and keeps this channel going strong. Thanks for watching. Stay motivated, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.